Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington. What is the capital of the United States? Washington, D.C. What is the national bird of the US? Bald eagle. What is the largest state in the US by area? Alaska. Which US state is known as the Sunshine State? Florida. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? Thomas Jefferson. How many stripes are on the US flag? 13. Which state was the last to join the US? Hawaii. What is the largest city in the US by population? New York City. Which US state is known as the Lone Star State? Texas. Who was the 16th president of the US? Abraham Lincoln. What is the longest river in the US? Missouri River. In what year did the US land the first man on the moon? 1969. Which US state is famous for Hollywood? California. What is the smallest state in the US by area? Rhode Island. Who was the first US president to live in the White House? John Adams. How many amendments does the US Constitution have? 27. Which ocean is on the east coast of the US? Atlantic Ocean. What US state is known for its potatoes? Idaho. What is the nickname for New York City? The Big Apple. Who was the main author of the US Constitution? James Madison. Which US state has the most national parks? California. Which US holiday celebrates the country's independence? Independence Day. What is the US motto? In God we trust. What is the US state with the most coastline? Alaska. Which US state is known as the Empire State? New York. Who was the first US president to be impeached? Andrew Johnson. Which US state is known as the Volunteer State? Tennessee. What is the highest point in the United States? Denali. Which US state was purchased from Russia in 1867? Alaska. What is the US state capital of Texas? Austin. Who was the US president during World War I? Woodrow Wilson. What is the US national tree? Oak. Which US state is known as the Peach State? Georgia. Which US state is known as the land of 10,000 lakes? Minnesota. Who was the US president during the Civil War? Abraham Lincoln. What US state is known as the Bluegrass State? Kentucky. Which US state has the nickname the Great Lakes State? Michigan. What is the national flower of the United States? Rose. Which US state is known as the Golden State? California. What is the name of the US President's official aeroplane? Air Force One. Which US state is known as the Aloha State? Hawaii. What US state is known for its lobster production? Maine. What US state is known as the Show Me State? Missouri. Who was the first president of the United States to be assassinated? Abraham Lincoln. Which US state is known as the Garden State? New Jersey. Who was the first Secretary of the Treasury in the United States? Alexander Hamilton. What US state is known as the Silver State? Nevada. Who was the first US president to live in the White House? John Adams. What US state is known as the Evergreen State? Washington. Which US state is known as the Cornhusker State? Nebraska. What is the US currency? Dollar. Which US state is famous for Disneyland? California. What is the US national sport? Baseball. What is the largest US state by population? California. What ocean is on the west coast of the US? Pacific. What color are the stars on the US flag? White. Who was the second US president? John Adams. What is the national language of the US? English. What is the nickname for Washington DC? The capital. How many stars are on the US flag? 50. Who wrote the US national anthem? Francis Scott Key. What is the US state known for its hot deserts and Grand Canyon? Arizona. What is the official language of California? English. Who was the 44th US president? Barack Obama. What is the main ingredient in American apple pie? Apples. What is the tallest building in the US? One World Trade Center. Who was the US president during the first moon landing? Richard Nixon. What city is known as the Windy City? Chicago. Who appears on the US $100 bill? Benjamin Franklin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And for more such interesting quizzes, please subscribe to our channel.